Welcome back to Tightwad Workshop. So Christmas 2023 is nearly here, and doesn't it just feel like a couple of months since the last one? Now, since Christmas is the giving season, this year I'll be giving away this Walabot DIY2 electronic stud finder. You use it for finding wall studs behind plasterboard, and it uses your Apple or Android phone as a display to show what it's located. This is the actual device that I used while I was making this review video, and I can confirm that it does actually do everything that it says on the box. About the only time it'll let you down is when you're trying to perform the stud finder joke for your spouse. Hey honey, check out this awesome new stud finder I just bought. The review video has done fairly well, and it's now earned me enough money to post this Walabot to anywhere in the world. If you want to do me a favour, then just go ahead and re-watch the review video a few times. I earn about 1 cent every time someone watches it. If you'd like to enter the giveaway, just post a comment below using the words "Free Walabot." Just like last year, I'll be using this YouTube random comment picker app to select the winner, and I'm going to tick this filter duplicate users option again, so that no matter how many times you comment, you'll still get exactly 1 chance to win. One last thing, a few people have mentioned that they don't get notifications of my new videos. I try to upload something new every week or so, and to get YouTube notifications, you first need to subscribe, then pick your notification option. Best of luck everyone, and I'll see you again on Christmas Day for the prize draw. Tightwad Workshop is filmed in front of a live studio audience.